So, welcome back, students. This is Femi Anyodipe, your instructor and the founder of a Power to Acquire Training Academy. Today, we begin the practical foundation of putting your website online. And the first foundation block is your domain name. Yes, your domain name. So let's go straight into it without wasting our time. So the first question now is, what is a domain name? What is a domain name? A domain name is simply the address of your website on the internet. The address of your website on the internet. Just like your house cannot be found without an address, your website equally cannot be located, okay, without a domain name. For example, if you look at my own website or my own personal website or company website, empowertoacquire.com, which is my academy official website. We look at femianyodipe.com, which is my personal brand website. So when someone types any of this in the browser, they type empowertoacquire.com or they type femianyodipe.com, they are directed immediately to the correct website. That is the power of a domain name, okay? That is the power of a domain name. Considering the house analogy for easy understanding that we have been talking about even before now, imagine your website is a house, okay? If your website is a house, then domain name is your house address. Hosting is the land, the house sits on, while the pages are the rooms in the house. So no matter how beautiful your house is, if there is no address, no visitor will be able to find you, all right? They cannot just find your location. This is exactly how the internet works. Now let's look at different types of domain extension, okay? Different type of domain extension. Domain come with different ending called TLDS, okay, which is top level domains, such as .com, which is the most popular and professional, okay, perfect for business, ministry, school, portfolio, or personal brand. We also have .org for NGOs, for churches, for ministry, and also for foundations. If you run a ministry-based site, this is perfect for your business, for your website. Then we also have .net, okay, which is for tech and networking companies. Also, we have .edu. This is strictly for educational institution, and it is usually restricted. Okay, we have .ng, which is for Nigeria, .uk for UK, and for .us for US. These are country-based, but globally, .com is preferred. Okay, now let's look at how to choose the right domain name. How to choose the right domain name. Your domain name must be short, must be memorable, must be easy to pronounce, must be easy to spell, and must be brandable. Okay, let me show you why mine works well. Considering empowertoacquire.com, if you look at empowertoacquire.com, sincerely, it is simple, it is strong, it is a strong brand, easy to remember, direct meaning, and it is global, okay? Yes, it is global. Also, if you look at femianyodipe.com, it's professional, perfect for a public figure, used for coaching, speaking, books, and leadership, all right? So your domain name is the foundation of your online identity. It is what? The foundation of your online identity. Now, okay, let me now do something. Let me take you online now so I can show you exactly how domains are checked in real time, okay? how you will be able to know if your domain name is available for purchase or not. And by the time we log on to the internet, the following are the things I'm going to do for every one of us to see. Number one, I'm going to visit a domain registrar. Okay, I'm going to visit one of my domain registrar. It could be Namecheap, it could be Hostinger. I'm going to type a particular domain we just suggest and see if it is available. Okay, and once it is available, I will explain how you are going to buy, okay, with considering different prices that is available. Then I'll show you the search interface so you can repeat it on your own. Okay, and this step is very, very important because not all domain names are available for purchase. So you must learn how to check professionally. You must learn how to do what? You must learn how to check professionally. So this is one skill you will use for clients and your own brand. Immediately anybody reach out to you, they want to design a website, you must be able to determine if their domain is available or not. So in final words, by the end of this section, you will clearly understand what a domain name is. Okay, you will clearly understand why every website needs one. All right, you are also going to understand types of domain extensions and their uses. Also, you will also know how to choose the best domain for your brand. At the same time, you will know how to check availability of domain online. So the domain is your digital address. Without it, you cannot move forward to build a website. It is important. You cannot do without it. So if you are ready with me, let's go as we look at the practical demonstration of how to source for your own domain to check for the availability. God bless you. So, all right, once again, welcome to our online demonstration. In this session, my assignment is just to show us how to source for domain online. That is, the topic is understanding the domain name. So how do you identify if your domain is available for purchase or your future clients, if their domain name is available for purchase? So all you need to do is to go to one of the registers that we have been talking about in this class, especially either Namecheap, Bluehost, or Hostinger. So I am in Namecheap right now, and let's just stroll to search for a domain name. So depending on the name you want to search, I'll go with Ions Digital, ionsdigital.com. Let's see, ionsdigital.com. Let's search for availability of this name. So let's assume I want to buy a brand called Ions Digital. Let's see if it is available for purchase. Let's see if it is available for purchase. So ionsdigital.com is available for purchase. And they said if I buy with this coupon code matrix TLD25, they will sell for me at the rate of $7.48, but without the domain, without the coupon code, they sell to me at the rate of $11.28 per year. Then originally the price is $14.98, which is approximately $15. And that means next year, if I want to renew, I'll renew with the same amount, which is $11.98. All right. Then one thing I need to let us know is depending on the registrar you are buying your domain from, if you are buying your domain from here, you must be prepared to buy security certificate. But if you are buying from Hostinger, for example, or from Bluehost, you may not need security certificate. But when we get to hosting and the likes, I think I'll be able to explain that in details for all. But because we are talking about understanding domain name today, so this is just how you search the availability of your domain name and you go for it. So that is it. Then also we have some premium domain. Okay, let's see. Let's just go through this and let's see all the options given unto us. Do we have any premium here? Okay. These are the another options available for us to pick. And if you are the kind of person that have plenty money, if you have enough money, they expect you to buy all of them so that you skip your brand. Nobody will be able to use the name with you. That's it. So let me try another name. I know this will not be available. Digital orb. Digital orb. I trust it's taken already. Digital orb.digital is a premium domain, and that goes for $488. Wow, that's a lot of money compared with the regular one we are buying. And this is another premium domain, digitalup.xyz, $64,000, $64,888, $64,888. So, wow, wow. That is not just premium, that is extremely premium. And we have another one, digitalup.world, digitalup.site, and so on and so forth. All these premium name, they are special. Yes, they are special. That's why you see them and their price is high. And some of them were purchased by another person and put in the market for sale. And that's why, for example, you know that this one was actually bought and kept for any interested person to buy. And that's why they tell you that you will renew it with just $13. Okay. So in particular, those are just the way you check the availability of your domain name. And for example, if it's something you want to buy, all you need to do is, let's look at when I search for anyonsdigital.com and we are told that it is available. All you need to do is go ahead. Where is it? Let me search it again. Ions. If it is something you want to buy anyway, Ions Digital, ionsdigital.com. Okay. So since it's available, just click that you are ready to purchase. You are ready to purchase. Just say add to cart, and I'm buying with this. I don't want to spend extra. Since this is offered to me, I'll click add to cart. Okay. So they are telling you that you can take it along with web hosting, business email, all this one. But if you're like me, you face where you are going. I'll just go to check out. What I want to buy is just a domain. So this is just to show us how we buy. I'm not asking you to buy it for now. Don't buy anything for now, but just to see. And if I put the promo code here and I apply, so instead of me to pay $11.28, it should reduce automatically to 7 point something. Let's see it. As expire. Oh, they recognize that I have used the coupon code previously before now. So that's why. So one thing I need to tell you is we are on namecheap.com. You cannot use, they cannot give you coupon code twice. They can only give new customer, okay? Even though the one I have used it since as far back as 2018, if I'm not mistaken, 2018. But since then, anytime I want to buy domain for my clients, they tell me I cannot use the coupon code because previously it has been applied to my account. So that's the way you buy. Just confirm your order, make your payments, and that is it. And that is if you want to buy. But I encourage you, for the purpose of this class is why this live demonstration come on board. But for now, don't buy.